Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Honor Pad V9. So first let's go over to the settings. Now here we need to scroll down a bit until we see battery. Now let's click it, and first of all start by enabling the battery saver. So go to power saving mode or ultra power saving mode. I recommend you guys only using the normal one. And here what else can we do is to lower the screen brightness. So go to display, it's right here, and here you need to slide it to the left a bit. Now that way you can save your battery from draining. Now what else can you do is either lower it or enable it for the automatic change, but I recommend you guys manually changing it. So now let's go over and disable everything that we don't need, like the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and also the location. So we need to disable it all. Now we only disable things that we do not use. So for the example, I'll use the Wi-Fi only. I don't need Bluetooth and I don't need the location because it only takes battery. Now what else can you guys do is go back to settings, go to battery, and here we can scroll down and see the battery usage by app. So here we will have some percentages. You will see which app drains the most battery, and last but not least we can check for the software updates to fix any glitches related to battery. So go to about tablet. Now here we will have, go to the system and updates. Now here we will have the software update, and let me just connect to a Wi-Fi network now, so I'll see you guys in a minute. And now it's automatically checking for updates. I'll double check it to you guys. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the Magic OS, and I recommend you guys doing the same because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the battery ones. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.